Hey, how you doing? I'm Greg, one half of RadfordHomes, L.L.C, and my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina. Well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But today, it's all about walking through the flip house that I'm going to be bringing you through on March the 13th. That's right, March the 13th, save the date. Free, how to flip a house. I'm actually taking people through. So I'm going to show you what's happening right now. We just had a mastermind with me and my general contractor and my best friend, the Moon Man. And we're going to take you through. Look at some of the concrete work. Here you go. Right here, as you can see, we had the concrete truck come out here the other day, and my main man, Flea, took care of me because this was all broke up. So we took a patch out. And we also have new concrete here. This was broke up. And if you look to the left and the right, you see brand new plumbing in the ground. We took up what you call the old cast iron plumbing, and we put down the new PVC all the way around, even going around the whole entire house. We have brand new windows being installed. Check it out real quick before you look at the new windows. Let me tell you a rundown of what we're doing with this house. We did all new, brand new plumbing, new windows, new roof, new electrical throughout the whole entire house. We remodeled a shed out back. There was a shed. We turned it into a home office. We put coax 5 cable throughout. Block in this wall right here when we enter this room here, because this used to be a carport. We put up what they call an LVL beam. It is a laminated veneer lumber that's compressed together and glued and is strong as steel. True story. Look it up on Google. So come on in and let's see what we got going on here. If you want to contact me, if you want to come here on March the 13th, I'm going to be showing you how I flip houses, and I'm going to be walking you through. Now, we have a cohort that we started, and this will be the 4th RadfordHomes Flip Academy that we walk through on this house. But you'll be catching up with us on the 4th one, but you can go back to YouTube at Gregory Radford YouTube and RadfordHomes YouTube. Plug it in on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, LinkedIn, TikTok, the whole 9 yards. Let's go! So we're going to be moving right along. Now, come on up here. Watch your step. And this right here, my friends, is how you make a house have the open, wow, eureka moment. That is called a laminated veneer lumber, LVL beam. As you can see, we got our joist hangers and our rafters running into this, and this is what's holding up. Now, can you bring it down a little bit? Believe it or not, where I'm standing right here was a exterior block wall. You see where the block was right here. All right? And we got rid of it by putting that LVL beam on this post here and on the post over there and holding up as well. As you can see, the house is fully being reframed as well. All right, we got new electrical. Check it out. When you come in the house, you hit your switch right here. We call it decor switches right here. But you can't really tell that right now, but that's what's going to be there in a little bit. It's now enclosed, and we're going to be getting rid of these 2 windows in the middle and keeping the exterior windows. So the window on the far left and the window on the far right, we're going to keep. And we're going to close that up. That way you can hang a mount for your TV, all right, and you're sitting in your room. Now look at this big old open concept here. You got a great open concept. All of this right here is open because we removed the wall, all right? You have brand new windows here as well.
We drove all the way an hour and a half.
Once again, you have RadfordHomes turning dreams into reality. And if you want to call my wife, who is a licensed realtor, you can reach her at 863-205-1307. Salute all veterans. All right, as we move along, I'm going to pass it off to my general contractor, Mr. T. Gregory. He's a licensed general contractor, and he's going to tell you a little bit about this project.
Yes, we have permitted this entire process. We had to pull a general permit for the general construction of the whole entire project. We also had to pull each individual permit for each tradesman, such as the plumber, the electrician. We also pulled a permit for the roof and also for the electric. So each individual tradesman had to have registered with the local municipality so they can pull permits for their trades. So this is all done above board and by the book. Now, Greg has done a fantastic job, as he told you about the beam and the opening up of the house. That's what he does. So as a GC, my job is to make sure that he has the opportunity to do it. He's got all the plans, he's pulled the permits, and now we're executing it as we see.
Something like that.
You'll also see the finished product and this will give you an idea how long it takes to do every piece. But Greg, once again, will take over, and he will continue with the tour.
Thank you very much, Mr. T. Gregory. As he said, once again, we also have a load-bearing wall here. Okay, this is not LVL here, but what we have up there is 3 2x6s, and we have a piece of plywood in the middle, and it's joined together and it's glued with glue, all right, what we call liquid nail. And then we nailed it together, and you have the rafters coming in to give it an open concept here as well. Now, why do we need an open concept here? Well, I'm glad you asked. Look at the floor here.
All these doors.
Somebody cut the floor. I wonder why they cut the floor. Well, they cut the floor so they can run their conduit with a wire inside of the conduit, and they had to close it back up with concrete the other day when the truck came, and my main man Flea, who works with T. Gregory, or works for T. Gregory, came here and poured everything back because we cut up all these floors and removed the old cast iron. We don't want that cast iron in the house that we're going to be selling. We put our name on it, Radford Homes. We want it done right. So we took up all the old cast iron and put all new PVC pipes like it should be. So come over here and check it out. If you're coming into this area right here, come on in. You come into this area right here. This right here was a pull-in carport. We enclosed it. French doors. Where you can just open it up and step right out to the backyard. Take you out there later. If you notice here, here's a nice little touch here. You don't want nobody looking inside your French doors. Or you want to get more light in. You want to close it down, and check this out. You just do it a little bit like that, and now you got the mini blinds inside the glass. What a nice touch. All right, but let me take you to the bathroom. You're coming into what we call the first master bedroom. That's right. This house has 2 master bedrooms. This house used to be a 3-bed, 3, 2. What is that? 3-bedroom, 2 baths. We converted it to a 4-bedroom, 3 baths. 4, 3. Check it out. Get a loop around. We have what you call cathedral ceilings going up over 14 feet high. Come on in this way. All right, as you can see here, this is going to be a very huge walk-in closet that's going to have a pocket door. It's going to be a pocket door, so it slides inside of the wall. Same thing here on this bathroom here. This bathroom here has a dual shower head, so you have one for your wife and one for the male, like myself. Check it out.
Check it out. You come out your master bedroom.
Dual shower right there. Shower head coming out of here. All new piping, Upernorplex plumbing running throughout. As you can see, everything is exposed. That's why you need to be here on March the 13th to the Radford Homes Flip Academy. Where else are you going to get access to this kind of flip? This is a full gut rehab. Look at the floor. All new concrete here. This is where your toilet is going to sit, right here. This is where your double vanity is going to be with your white shaker cabinets, right here. You come over here, you're going to have a shower bench. For you ladies, you want to shave your legs, we're going to put a shower bench up here, and you can shave away. All right? And this will be your side, and here's your shower head. Now, check it out how we did it. When you come in, here's your knob right here to turn on your hot water and your cold water for each side. The shower is. You're still in the shower. And right here, we're going to have glass going up to the ceiling. You can't beat it. Brand new AC. I failed to mention that earlier. Brand new AC throughout the whole entire home. As you enter into the kitchen, you'll notice over here the plumbing is over here. So that's right. The sink will be right here. This is where your sink will be. We did a nice touch. Guess what we did? Oh, if you're over here cooking on your stove, this is where your stove will be. And guess what? We have a pot filler right over the stove. I always go into nice homes that they're building nowadays, and I'll be like, what is that thing that's over the stove? Well, if you're cooking and all your water evaporates, you just turn it on, fill it up. Nice touch. Safety first. All right. There you go. On to the next. Make sure you give us a call. You can call me at 931-241-9714. That's 931-241-9714. You can text me and say, hey, I want to learn what you're doing. Free of charge. I ain't charging you nothing. All right? Free of charge. We're teaching you how to do this. We flipped over 25 homes. We currently own over 14 homes. And we're getting ready to build our dream home. Don't say that to brag. I say that to tell you you need to come and get some of this information around a circle of spear who has the knowledge that you can extrapolate and move on and make it better, and then you pay it back forward to somebody else who want to learn. That's all you have to do. Ain't that right, T. Gregory?
That's how we do it.
That's how we do it. We ain't charging you nothing. So come out and learn something. Also, you can reach my wife at 863-205-1307. Let's go! Moving right along, we're going to be going into what we call the community bathroom. And this is the bathroom for the other 2 bedrooms. You have 4 bedrooms in here, okay? You have 1 bedroom with the master bedroom, and you have 2 more bedrooms on that side. And now we're going to be going to the community bathroom and the second master bath. Let's go! Voila! Now you're standing in what we call the community bathroom. What is a community bathroom? Well, it's the bathroom that is not attached to a master bedroom or a master bath. So you have 4 bedrooms. We have 2 master baths, so that leaves 2 rooms that needs to share a bathroom. So we call this the community bathroom. And if you can see, we have the plumbing here for your vanity, and your vent stack is running up. We have Uponor PEX plumbing, which is very flexible, and you can take it throughout the house. It bends, it turns. You have your vent here. You have your AC drop. And over here, of course, you have to have a tub in every house, okay? At least we do, okay? It's not a prerequisite, meaning it's not required, but we put a tub in every house. There's 3 bathrooms, 2 showers, and 1 bathroom that has a tub. So here's your shower head here. And of course, here's where you turn on your water, right there. This is the second master bedroom. Right here is the second master bedroom. My main man Felix thought of this. He said, Greg, this used to be a block wall. And I came to work one day and he said, would you be upset if I took this block wall and cut it out and then made a walkway into the laundry room and then use the laundry room as a closet and a bathroom and then make the laundry room a little bit smaller on the opposite end? I was like, how did you think of that? He's like, I just sat here and I brainstormed when I was working. That's why you got to have a great team. I didn't come up with that concept. I came to work one day, he said, this is what I want to do. I think it'll be a great value add to have 2 master bedrooms. So that way, if you have an adult child in the home, then they have their own bedroom, they have their own master bath, they have their own closet. Great touch, right? I can't take credit for that. Thank you, Felix. Check it out. Come on in. As we cut out this block wall now, remember this was a block wall. We cut this out, all right, and we made this. So as you enter through the block wall, you look to the left, you have your closet. All right, and you have your closet here. You also have your switches for your electrical, okay? Now, I'm going to digress a little bit, and I want T. Gregory to talk about how important it is when you're going to be taking a block wall and making a new bathroom. T. Gregory, there's a lot of things that have to happen a lot of things have to transpire when we're about to do something at this magnitude. You have to have engineered drawings. They have to be approved. Could you speak on that, T. Gregory?
Anytime you structurally change a project, you have to have engineered drawings. An architect may draw it, a draftsman may draw it, but an engineer has to sign off on it because you're structurally changing the design of the property. So therefore, anything that has to do with structure has to be permitted as well, as we talked about earlier. So once again, this is part of the plumbing. There's no electrical. So you have to make sure, no AC in the room. So you have to make sure all the permits include this as an addition to the other portion of the house. Mm-hmm. So if you're flipping, you can't cut corners, it costs. You don't skimp, you do it the proper way, so when the walls are closed, they can live comfortably in the house knowing that it's well designed.
All right, thank you. Thank you for sharing that with us, GC. Also, what we have here in this bathroom is the Uponor PEX plumbing. It's flexible. And you see you have your little fittings here. They use an expander. It expands it and it grips back down to normal size. This is PVC pipes. This was a window here. We closed this window up. We didn't need it anymore. Remember, folks, this right here was a utility room, and there was a hot water heater right here. Check this out. There was a hot water heater right here, and there was an electric panel box, a breaker box right here. We had to relocate the breaker box outside. Now, why did we do that? You can see it right there. We relocated it outside because it gave us room to have what we needed. There's a prerequisite for a room, a requirement for a bedroom. If you don't have a closet, T. Gregory, you don't have a what?
You don't have a bedroom.
You don't have a bedroom. You have to have a closet. And the breaker box was right here. And this is our closet. So we had to take the wires up and run them back through the attic and run the breaker box outside. It's the panel. So that was a little costly, but we needed to do it to get this master bathroom. Now look at this, folks. You come in here and you're going to have a glass shower going up here. And right here is where you turn on your shower. And up here is your shower head. So you're going to be taking your shower right here, lathering it up. Yeah, baby. Go Tampa Bay Bucks, Super Bowl bound. Woo! Let's go. And if you notice all of these wires right here, guess what this is? This is cable wires and coax 5 that we've ran throughout the entire home. So this entire home is already pre-wired. So when they put up the drywall, the cable company don't have to come in here drilling through the walls and all that, because we went ahead and did it anyway. And we're going to list this house for sale. So if you're looking for a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, hey, you need to be calling me at 931-241-9714 or call the realtor, my wife, Brains and the Beauty, at 863-205-1307. And on the other side of this, I'm going to let y'all stay over there, but I'm going to go over here. On the other side of this is the laundry room. This is your laundry room right here. You have your vent stack going outside. Okay? You have your washer and dryer hookup right here. You can get that through there. There you go. You got your washer and dryer hookup right here. Venting outside. And as you can see, we poured the concrete the other day. And look what you're standing in. You're standing in the shower where we just poured the concrete. That's your floor bed right there. And this is another little touch I want you to see right here. Look at this. This is how you turn your shower on. Right here. You turn it on right here. You're going to have a glass going to the top. Now, once again, folks, we are at one of Radford Homes and team. Because with real estate, you can't do it without a general contractor. Okay? You're going to need your tradesman, your electrician, your AC guy, your plumber. You're going to need your main go-to guy that does everything, your flooring, your cabinets, the whole 9 yards. So remember, folks, you don't do real estate alone. It takes a team. If you don't have a team, you're not going to be successful in this business. That's all, folks. I want to thank you for following us. And remember, follow us on all our platforms. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Snapchat, TikTok, whatever you want to call it. We out of here, baby. Talk to you later. Let's go.
Yeah, come on. Let's go to the map. Open it up, dude. Prestige tree gonna take everything away. Everything, all the carpet, everything. Now, John, tell me the truth. Should we put another wall here and make another bedroom? Yeah, leave it alone. Open that up. Yeah, and no, I don't. No, I don't. The water was off. The thing.